Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. You can tell by the hairstyle up on top of my head, we are going to be cleaning. I need to dust, vacuum, I need to mop my floors. I need to just like kind of tidy up the house. The other day, I went through and I organized. It's like a somewhat gloomy day here and the lighting's terrible, so I'll have to grab my ring light, but there we go. I went through all the kids' clothes and organized everything, and also my clothes, and decluttered, but I did not film it. It was just kind of like the kids were cleaning their rooms and we're like, let's just do everything. So I didn't pull out the camera and clean it, or film it, the cleaning, but that is all done at least. We are definitely in like spring cleaning mode over here. I can't with this hair. But we are going to just get like our daily stuff done, or more like weekly stuff, but we're just gonna do an old-fashioned cleaning video. Lots of music. There's not really much else to tell you guys, so I am just going to film, play some good music, and clean along with me. So if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe. Hi, Macy. You gonna help me? Make sure you subscribe and let's get started.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, we could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. We'd never fall, could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, we could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again.
whispered when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light a fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light a fire just to put me out again. Yeah, I need you. Weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? For you, I'm weak for you. Weak for you, I'm weak for you.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get
So that is it. All of my cleaning is done. It is just about 2 o'clock. I need to go eat some lunch. I'm starving. And I left all the clothes for everyone else to put away. Austin's at a friend's house, Leighton's at a friend's house, Kevin's out doing yard work. So I put my clothes away, hung everyone's stuff that needs to get hung up, but when they get home, they will put away their own clothes because they are 7 and 9 and can totally do it. So, but that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick cleaning video. Nothing too crazy, just an old-fashioned cleaning video. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.